Alright, welcome back to the video, guys. It's your boy Hollywood here. The first video of 2025. Alright, it is approximately, I think it's like 45 degrees out. Shout out to my boy Moon. Gave it this Dynasty jacket. It's leather. It's keeping your boy warm. But yeah, we gotta go over a serious topic today, guys. And it's not a video that I wanted to make, or an announcement I wanted to make, but it has to be done. So let's jump on the bike and let's jump into the video. Alright, jump right into the video. This is not really a video I wanted to make, but it's kind of like a video I have to make. Kind of like just documentation for myself, just so I can come back in a couple months, or hell, even maybe a year, and just look back at all the progress I've made. But let's just going over the topic of why I'm leaving YouTube. I kind of don't want to say I'm leaving. I kind of just want to say like taking a step back, because although this is my hobby, this is what I enjoy doing, this is what I love doing. Like, for those of you who don't know, like, I've been making videos, whether it was gaming, vlogging, outdoor adventure type stuff, motor vlogging. I've been making videos for the past probably 10 plus years. Like, we're going all the way from the skill level of not knowing what the hell I was doing, just picking up a camera, just posting it, all the way up to like where I am now. And I have put countless hours and just energy, countless energy into whatever my hobby was at the time. And right now it's motorcycles, and as you guys have seen, I've gone to different events, and a lot of things that's happened to me in the process of all that. So like, I'm pretty transparent on my channel. Like, I lost my dream job, my dream career, I should say. I went to jail for 5 days. Like, I've done a lot of things to where it has impacted me, not only all the relationships in my life, but like even the professional relationships that I've built. Because some people don't even want to hang out with me anymore. They don't respond to text messages anymore. So like I don't blame them, you know. Like, it just is what it is. But at the same time, hey, let's go this way. At the same time, you know, you live and you learn, you make mistakes. As long as you learn from them and you grow as a person, that's all that somebody can ask from you, you know. But yeah, but mainly it's just taking a lot on my relationships. And like, you know, me and my girlfriend, we're going through a little rough patch, and me going to all these events and stuff like that, it's affecting our relationship, I should say. Like, yeah, we have goals and stuff in mind, and I'm not gonna say I'm being wasteful with my money, but when I'm taking these trips, you know, it kind of puts it in a bad light as far as like trying to achieve those goals and stuff that we have together. So I mean, I'm not financially stable enough to go take these trips by myself. Shout out to my boy Phantom. He is like an OG. Like, he's always had me covered. So that's the boy right there. That's the homie. I appreciate you. Without him, I wouldn't have gone to none of these trips, like the Dallas and all that. I would have went to the Atlanta trips, but Dallas and stuff like that, I probably wouldn't have even gone. Yeah, you know, you guys, for those that really rock with me, like my fans, you want to call them, my subscribers, you guys know I do weekly uploads. I'm probably gonna have to dial that back to just uploading whenever I want, really. These motherfuckers rolling up on me like that. Who do they think they are? Oh, hell no. Probably just dialing it back to uploading to whenever I want, so that way I can put more energy into producing some quality content. Even though I think I did a pretty decent job at it in 2024, but I went back and I watched the videos and I was like, man, this could be so much better. Like, I should have brought my drone on this one, or, you know, like, I can really put my creative thinking cap on and really produce a quality video. But you know that I tried to achieve the goal of getting monetized last year, and I did reach tier 1. But I think if I create more entertaining videos, more like, not even intense, but like something that will really lock in my viewer, I think I can really smash getting the second tier of monetization this year, even with like less uploads. Because like, I had this shit down to a T of like how many uploads I needed to do, how many watch hours each video needed to get, and I just got in my head a lot. So it is what it is. So like, this is just me telling you guys that I gotta take this step back just to be able to re-lock myself in as far as like from my future, all the relationships I have. And not really putting YouTube on the back burner, because like I've always said, all it takes is one video for this shit to just pop off and it just changes your life forever. But you know, like, and I'm willing to take that risk, but I just gotta dial it back just a little bit. Like, and it pains me to say that, but I know what I have to do as an individual and a content creator, and just knowing the things I want in life, I gotta prioritize some other things first other than just the bike stuff. So yeah, in 2025 I really want to produce more quality videos, but also at the same time I want to focus more on what's in front of me instead of like what I'm trying to achieve. Because when I get blinders put on, bro, I am locked the fuck in. Like you're not telling me any different. If I have my mind made up, it's made up. All right, there's no like, oh well, you know, you can do this. No, bro, I am 100% all in. Like I was saying with the weekly uploads, like I had videos stacked up, like 15 videos in advance, and I wouldn't have to worry about it. That's like how locked in I was. And then when an event came through, I'd record that, just drop it in the middle of my other uploads. But yeah, man, like I said, it's not a video I wanted to make, but it is something that I had to make so I can hold myself accountable for the time going forward. But yeah, with that being said, guys, hopefully you do enjoy the video. If you did enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment down below if you have any suggestions, any feedback, any comments, questionnaires. And like always, wear your gear, ride safe, don't get caught in the rain, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.